island of Bohol. And we have here palm boats or sea crabs, all sea crabs, surrounding the small island with all the tourists. And I believe there are some foreigners, but the way I look at it is that we have local tourists, lots of local tourists here. So this is now the island, a small strip of island found in the province of Bohol, most specifically in Panglao, one of the towns located here on Bohol. And this is how the small island looks like. And what makes this island a little bit controversial was that there were seafoods sold on this island that costs so much. So it has been closed. Nobody is allowed to sell on the island, and that's what the government of Panglao did, and so also with the government of Bohol. Once you come to the Philippines, go to Bohol. This is where you will be enjoying the best times of your life. Bohol's Virgin Island, the most controversial virgin, once said, but now it's not been done, and it's not been so controversial anymore. So for those who love to watch the beautiful beaches of Bohol, this is one of where you would be visiting. So this is Bohol's Virgin Island.